Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to easily make smooth zoom in and out transition on CapCut. So here I've already added 2 clips to my project on CapCut, and to add a zoom in transition you just need to do this trick. So just click on the transition box right here, click on the camera, and then choose the pull in transition like this, and adjust on how much you want the transitions to last in your clip. Just click on the check icon and you can see the result like this. This is the zoom in. Okay, so it will go like that. And then for the zoom out, you just need to change the transition to pull out. So this is for the zoom out. Click on the check icon and this is the result. Okay, so just like that you'll have the zoom in and out transition for your clips. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel, click on the likes button, comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.